Hi, I'm Kevin. I'm going to show you the LabVIEW part of our project. If you look into the file, we have two sub-IVs within our major simIV VI. So when we open that, we get this window right here. We have the four pressures, the upstream, short, midline, and the pick pressures, each with their digital readouts and a scroll bar that you can look through the system. We also have these two temperature controls, well, not temperature controls, temperature readouts, one for temperature in the reservoir and one for temperature in the superior vena cava, a stop button to stop each test, and a folder so you can say where you want everything to be saved to. So if we click onto the folder right here, I still have a couple of tests in there, so I select the folder I want and the place I want it to be saved to, and I can press run. It asks me what I want to name my file, so I'm going to name this test. Well, let's name it test 4. Okay, so you can see we have our systems running. Right now we have one pressure sensor hooked up, and if Eric pushes through some pressure through the syringe, we can see the pressure change. Our scaling right now is in PSIs as your request, and it's an absolute scale, so you can see the changes throughout the system. If you look at the temperature in the reservoir, we have one temperature sensor set up right now, and it's the one in the reservoir. Right now it's hovering around 25 degrees Celsius because it's really cold in this room. And that gives you a digital readout as well. So if we take this program and we want to look back in the history, we can pull the X scroll bar back and see our changes. And then we can stop the test. So to look at our data, we would go into the file that we had saved everything in, and ours is test 4. It's got the date and the time all put out into it, and you open it up, and right now I'm just going to open it up into Notepad, and it gives you all of your data right here. So it gives you pressure 1, your pressure 2, your pressure 3, pressure 4, and then your temperatures. Currently I'm working and trying to figure out how to put the headings in here, but that's going to go in there. And we're also looking to include event markers, so you can press an event marker to start your test and press it to end another portion of your test, so you can go through the different sections.